heavy. And ain't that much stuff in it, but this is leather. Take my time up these steps. Whew, whew, whew. 7. That was 7 steps. Hmm. Ten, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I guess that's about the ballpark of the steps. 15. Yeah, so I forgot what I was talking about. Okay, let me see. Whew. So I am now waiting for the bus. I mean, my new thing, not the new thing. As I was telling them, I know people say you ain't supposed to make no New Year's resolution. Well, each his own. I know I made one. I don't even know how I said it, but paraphrasing, I was saying that I'm going to make one. I ain't worrying about what people saying, what people will do. I'm so glad I always had my own mind. My biggest problem was pleasing people. I would do things of my own. Nobody couldn't get me to, do no drugs. Nobody couldn't get me to jump out no window. Nobody couldn't get me to steal. They can't say, well, come on. Let's go in this store and let's get this and let's get that. Oh, okay, well, how much is it? Oh, no, you ain't got to pay for nothing. We're going to go steal. Nobody can persuade me to do wrong. You see what I'm saying? I never did let nobody persuade me to do wrong. I did wrong, but it was because it was my choice. I didn't hurt people's feelings. I tried my best not to hurt people's feelings. Even though I'm outspoken, I knew how to say things to keep from hurting people's feelings. Now, when I got angry, that was a different story. I'm not going to say that I said things to hurt people, but my thing was that when I got angry, I didn't have the time to be sitting back thinking, oh, I can't hurt your feelings. I don't want to hurt your feelings. And I'm not doing it because you hurt my feelings. I'm doing it because right now I'm upset, and maybe something you've been doing for a long time to me. And I was a thief. I ain't gonna lie about it. I wasn't a robber. I didn't go robbing people, but I was a thief. There's a difference there. See? The thief was on the cross because he stole things. But robbery is different, right? When you steal something, you're committing a crime. But you become a criminal when you do multiple crimes. You see what I'm saying? There is a they say a criminal. I'm sure they